Unit conversion is a topic which many students have confusion. Suppose if one has to convert 50 centimeter to meter, do they have to multiply with 100 or divide by 100? Or if someone has to convert 200 kilometers to meter, should they multiply by 1000 or divide by 1000? Many have confusion. We are discussing this topic in this video. First, we'll discuss the conventional method of unit conversion. And at the end of the video, we'll discuss an easy method in which students can do it very easily. Let us discuss the conventional method. Here we have to convert 50 centimeter to meter. So the conversion is from centimeter to meter. Here centimeter is the source unit and meter is the target unit. So in this method, we need to arrive at what is one source unit equal to target unit. It's very easy to remember that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So what is 1 centimeter equal to? To find that, just cross multiply the coefficient of centimeter here. That is 100. So when we do that, we will get 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Once we get one source unit equal to the target unit, we just have to multiply with what we need to get. That is, in order to find what is 50 centimeter in meters, just multiply the entire equation by 50. That is 50 into 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 into 50. That is 50 centimeter equal to 50 by 100 meter. That is nothing but 0.5 meter. Let us discuss another example. Here the conversion is from 200 kilometer to meter. So first we need to arrive at what is 1 kilometer equal to. So we know it upfront that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Therefore, what will be 200 kilometer? Just multiply the equation by 200. That is 200 into 1 kilometer is equal to 200 into 1000 meter. That is 200 kilometer is equal to 2 lakh meter. Now we will discuss about the conversion of square units. We may get area in a unit and we have to convert it to another unit. So we'll see an example first. Here we need to convert 2000 centimeter square to meter square. So first thing is we need to establish the relationship between one source unit to the target. As we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Since it is a square unit, we have to do this conversion factor 2 times. That is, to get 1 centimeter square, we need to do it twice. So this is the conversion factor for the square unit. So when we got 1 centimeter square equal to so many meter squares, what we have to do is just multiply with what we need to get. 2000 centimeter square. So we'll multiply by 2000. That is 2000 centimeter square is equal to 2000 divided by 10,000. So it is 0.2 meter square. Now we will discuss about the conversion of cubic unit. We have an example here. We need to convert 9 meter cube to centimeter cube. So in this case also, we need to write what is one source unit equal to the target unit. That is, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Since it is the conversion of cubic unit, we have to do it thrice, 3 times to get the cubic unit conversion factor. That is 1 meter cube equal to 100 into 100 into 100 centimeter cube. Once we get this conversion factor, we just have to multiply by 9 on both sides to get the 9 meter cube. That is 90 lakh centimeter cube. This is the conventional method. Now we will discuss about the easy method of unit conversion. You just need to keep in mind these two important facts. If you are converting from a smaller unit to a larger unit, just divide by the conversion factor. And if you are converting from a larger unit to a smaller unit, just multiply by that factor. We will discuss with the help of the same examples. We are here to convert 50 centimeter to meter. So the conversion is from centimeter to meter. We know that centimeter is a smaller unit compared to meter. So we are doing the first case, smaller to larger. And we know that the conversion factor is 100. So here, since the conversion is from smaller to larger, we have to divide. You just write the 50 here, which is 50 centimeter. Just divide by 100. You will get 0.5 meter. So simple, right? We look at the other example. Here we convert 200 kilometer to meter. So the conversion is from kilometer to meter. Kilometer is a larger unit compared to meter. So it is a second case. We are converting from larger unit to smaller unit. So in that case, we have to multiply by the conversion factor. We know that the conversion factor is 1000 between kilometer and meter. So what we do? To convert 200 kilometer, we multiply by 1000. It's 2 lakh meter. So simple, right? This example is of the square unit conversion. We are going to convert 2000 centimeter square to meter square. We know that the centimeter square or centimeter is a smaller unit compared to meter. So we are doing the first case here, smaller to larger, and we have to divide by the conversion factor. So in order to convert, we write the coefficient here and divide by the conversion factor, which is 100. Since it is a square unit conversion, we do it 2 times. So it is 0.2 meter square. This example is of cubic unit conversion. Here we are going to convert 9 meter cube to centimeter cube. Since meter cube is a larger unit compared to smaller unit, we are following the second statement logic. So we need to multiply by the conversion factor. Right, 9. We know that the conversion factor is 100. So it is 90 lakh centimeter cube. This looks so simple, right? So this is the easy method. We have to learn these 2 statements. When we are converting from smaller to larger, we have to divide. And when we are converting from larger unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply. And we need to know the conversion factor upfront. So this method is very easy for you when you know the conversion factor and you have a confusion like whether you have to multiply or divide. So this is the most easy method.